Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use the sum function in AppSheet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for appsheet.com. You will then be prompted to sign into your account. Just make sure to do so, and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, all of your projects will be displayed. Simply access the target project you want to use the sum function in. Click on the add icon at the top and a new pop-up will appear. Enter the name of the new column and click on the app formula menu beneath it. Inside the app formula menu, type in the following command based on the element you would like to perform this command on. Simply type sum, then inside the brackets, type in the project name, and then enter the element name inside its own brackets. Once done, click on the Save button and then close the menu by selecting Done. After the window disappears, click on the Save button at the top right corner and the web page will reload. After you're done with that, click on the three dots icon and select Preview Data. You will see that the element you tried to apply the sum command on is being displayed with the calculated sum. So that's basically how you can use the sum function in AppSheet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.